Assalamualaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix white screen error of VideoScribe. In this video, I will show you how to solve Sparkle VideoScribe two type of problems. Before starting the video, I have a request. If our video is of any benefit to you, please give a like and comment on the video. Your like and comment will encourage us to make next video. If a new member of my channel but have not subscribed to my channel, then definitely subscribe and stay with us. Click Start button. Click Search bar, then type Task Manager. Open Task Manager. Right click VideoScribe. Select In Task. Open any browser. Then search VideoScribe Sign Up. Click on the first website. Then enter first name and last name. Open another new tab. Then search temp mail. Click on the first website. Copy the mail address from here. Paste the mail address here. Then type the password. Click the two options below. Then click Create your free account. Now we will open the VideoScribe software. Now log in with new email address and password. Then click Login. Then click Create New Scribe. Click Add New Image. You can see my problem is display again. Now you have to close the internet connection on your computer. As you can see, my problem is solved. Now restart the internet connection. If a new member of my channel but have not subscribed to my channel, then definitely subscribe and stay with us. If our video is useful to you, then like the video and share with your friends and family member. As you can see, I can do everything.